In this video, we demonstrate measuring windows for ordering and installation. Measuring your windows is necessary before ordering and installing window film. You need to know your window sizes for ordering and rough cutting your pattern off the roll. You need a pencil or pen, a tape measure, and an idealtint.com measure worksheet. Any piece of paper will do, but the measure worksheet available in the Learning Center section of idealtint.com is more helpful for measuring, ordering, and installing. Measure your windows in order. Start at the main entry and go clockwise around the interior. List the rooms and measure each individual pane. The first room is the living room. It has one large window with 3 panes. Measure the first pane width and height, then do the same with the next 2 panes. 27.5. 57.5. 57.5. 57.5. The third pane is the same size as the first pane, so make an additional stroke in the quantity column to include it, and let's go to the next window. After looking at the numbers, I see I'm going to have to order at least some film 60-inch wide. I have one window that is greater than 48 inches in both width and height, so I'm going to have to order at least some 60-inch wide film. For this example, I have 2 good ordering options. I can order a 60 wide by 75 feet long, or I can order a 60 wide by 25 feet and a 48-inch wide by 50 feet. If you have any questions or need help estimating your window film needs, call us Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Pacific Time at 951-600-1515 or email us via the contact form on our website.